Good morning, everyone. How's everyone doing? We're here in Texas. It's August and it's hot. It's hurricane season for us, so hopefully we don't have to run away this time. But I got here a 2006. It's a Mazda 3, and this lady asked me to check out her car because it's acting up and it's got the check engine light. It won't throttle up. But I came over here. First of all, I was looking for the fuse box. I found one, and this car has two fuse boxes. I came over here and I plugged in my scanner, and nothing. As you can see, the OBD is not working. So that's why I was looking for the fuse box. So I found this fuse box, but the OBD fuse is not in here. I'm gonna show you where the OBD fuse is. In order for me to find the OBD fuse, I came over here and I pulled this trim right here. It's just a trim and it just pops out. And I took the two screws that go in here, and this thing I already took the screws out, so it pops right out. This thing should be able to pop right out. There you go. And I'll remove this light too. So we're gonna put this outside. And there's your fuse box. And we have no manual for this, and there's no cover, nothing that will tell you which one is the fuse. So I went to my old data and it shows me right here. At first I was looking for the cigarette lighter. Let me see if I can make it a little bigger. I was looking for the cigarette lighter, but that was not the problem. Most of the time, the cigarette lighter is hooked up to the OBD port. But I can see right here, it's got cigar, radio, mirror, tail light right, and then number 47 is OBD. So if you look at the layout, 47 is right here, and it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the fifth fuse from the right to the left. And it looks like somebody's hand's been here before, because if you see it's missing. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's missing. So somebody's been messing with this car before, and we're gonna put a fuse. It calls for a 10 amp fuse. So we're gonna put a fuse, and hopefully we get power to our scanner. There it is. You see, now we got power. So now that we have power, we can go ahead and pull our codes. And this is how you if you don't have no power on your OBD2, this is how you find your fuse. So it's gonna be passenger side, remove the glove box, and it's gonna be fuse number 47 for OBD. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Any questions, let me know. I do a lot of diagnostics. It's fun for me to do diagnostics. And I got my Modus Ultra scanner, and I got my old data system, which is up to date. My scanner is up to date too, so that's why I'm always able to fix most of the electrical problems. If you guys have any questions, just put them below the comment, and if you like the video, just hit like and subscribe, please. Thank you.